Star Granny Square Crochet Tutorial. Prepare yarn and crochet hook. Magic ring. Round 1. Center ring. Chain 3. Counts as 1 double crochet. Place marker in the 3rd chain. Work 14 double crochet DC into the ring. (15 stitches total). Tighten the ring, then slip stitch SL to the first DC marked stitch. Round 2. Star points. Chain 6. Keep loose. Working into the back bumps of the chain. Slip stitch. 1 single crochet point. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 treble crochet. Skip 2 stitches of round 1, SL into the next stitch, pull tight. Repeat for 5 points. For each subsequent point, chain 6 directly after the SL, repeat the sequence above. After 5 points, SL to the first chain 6 space. Cut yarn and weave tail to the back. Round 3. Join white yarn into the first slip stitch from round 2, left of the marked stitch. Important. Work only in the back loops. 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 2 double crochet. 1 treble crochet decrease to shape the point. Two double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. 1 slip stitch, keep loose. Repeat the sequence 5 times, once per star point. Slip stitch tightly to join the round. Round 4. 1 slip stitch, loose. 2 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 2 half double crochet increases. Work 2 half double crochet in same stitch. One half double crochet. 2 single crochet. 1 slip stitch, loose. Repeat 5 times, then slip stitch tightly to join. Cut yarn and weave in end. Round 5. Join pink yarn in last slip stitch of round 4. Chain 1. 3 single crochet. 2 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 2 treble crochet. Chain 3 for corner space. 2 treble crochet. 1 double crochet. 2 half double crochet. 2 single crochet. Repeat 4 times, then slip stitch tightly to join. Round 6. Chain 3 counts as first double crochet. 7 double crochet in chain 3 corner space. 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet. 7 double crochet. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch to join. Weave in all ends. If you like it, please like, save, and follow.